Now, if you're serious about learning jazz, you'll know that building a strong repertoire is crucial. But with more than 100 years of recorded music, it can be quite overwhelming, to be honest, to know where to focus your listening, which tunes to learn, and so forth. And not every tune is a belter in the real book. It's not a book which is meant to be played start from finish. And iReal Pro sometimes has some very questionable songs on it too. And to help my students and viewers with this problem, I have put together a guide to learning the repertoire. And this is more than just a list of tunes. So the ebook includes 200 standards graded level 1 to 3 in line with my jazz guitar curriculum. And that grading at level 1 to 3 for each song is designed to help you navigate learning standards based on your current ability. Some key information about each song, including the composer, the year it was written, the form and the standard key it's performed in, including other points of learning where relevant. And it also comes with a Spotify playlist with 3 versions that I've picked out for each song for you to check out. Also included is a condensed history of the genre. So I've done a timeline which breaks down the different subgenres and eras of jazz and the features of each of those movements and key musicians to check out. I've also split out by instrument the key musicians throughout the history of the genre to check out, as well as the important bands to listen to. In addition, there's also guidance to help you with common problems people face when trying to learn repertoire. So it's designed to support kind of navigating tunes to learn, filling in some background on the history of the genre, because I do think it's important to appreciate kind of how the genre started, how it developed, the key musicians and players along the way and how they changed the direction of jazz music. But for me, the playing is very important, of course, but the listening is equally important. And I want to just provide some guidance with that. So it's about, knowing the key musicians and bands to listen to. Because, I know over the years since I first began playing, and I continue to learn about new musicians and be inspired by them. And I want that for you as well. Now, the guide is available in 2 ways. You can purchase it through my website just as a one-off purchase. I'll link that in the description. Or you can get it on the second tier of my Patreon page, which is the Standards Essentials. If you get it on Patreon, you'll also get access to all my chord melodies. You'll get access also to my levels 1, 2, 3 melody and comping lessons, which I upload each month for the standard of the month. I'll be completely honest with you. I thought this might take a month to do. No, it took 3, but I really feel it will be very valuable for people to, as I said, help guide which tunes to learn and to put a bit of guidance in and around the listening as well. Now, as I was putting it together, one question kept coming back to me, which is, out of all of these songs, do I have a favourite standard? And I don't think I could definitively say one. In the end, I circled around 4, which are Lullaby of Birdland, The Man I Love, These Foolish Things, and also All the Things You Are. Some quite melancholic ballady tunes there, apart from Lullaby, but those are tunes which I love the melody, the lyrics, and some of those are absolutely fantastic too. Like These Foolish Things has my favourite lyrics of a jazz standard, and just beautiful melodies on all of those. But obviously in the comments, I want you to see if you can come up with a definitive, or maybe like myself, if you can't pick one, you pick 3 or 4. Leave them in the comments, I'd love to know. So please check out the links in the description, and until next time, you take care.